One of the main things that I push on the YouTube channel and also to my clients is that you should never get traffic confused with profits. A lot of times when you see in a business, from the outside looking in, it may look like they're flourishing. They're real busy. They got long lines. They got wait periods. You go in and you're like, man, look, these guys are booming and stuff. All this traffic and stuff is going on. But in essence, they may be barely staying open. And the reason being, you have no idea of the cost it takes to operate that particular business on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, right? So what you want to make sure that you're always doing for yourself before you get in any kind of business endeavor, you want to make sure you do your proper due diligence, do your homework, do your research to get all the costs it takes to associate that business. Then you want to look at what actually you can charge, because the easiest thing you say, well, hey, raise your prices up. But at the end of the day, what we know, market dictates everything. You can't charge X amount of dollars in a particular area or a particular situation or selling certain products if the market isn't going to actually compensate you for that or not. So make sure you do your research for that. Again, never, ever, ever get traffic confused with profits, because there's a lot of people out there look like they're real busy. They'll never really be transparent with you and let you know that, hey, look, I'm barely staying afloat up in here, okay? But that's why the onus is on you if you want to be a successful business owner to do your research. Take your time. Don't rush it. Don't make rush moves, okay? Do your proper research, do your proper due diligence, and make sure you find out exactly what the costs are, knowing what you can charge, and see if you can, make a profit from there, okay? But again, never get traffic confused with profit. Best of luck, you guys.